Hi, this is Laya Gavin, licensed broker and franchise owner with Team Exit Realty Sun City, and I wanted to invite you to our open house today from 1 to 4 p.m. Today we'll be touring this cute little garden apartment home located in the heart of Sun City. The address is 13623 North Newcastle Drive in the Del Mar Courts. Perfect for living year-round or just a seasonal snowbird lifestyle works here too. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo at just over 1,200 square feet with an eat-in kitchen, laminate floors throughout, and an enclosed Arizona room. And don't worry about having to do anything before bringing your suitcase because the seller's done all the hard work for you with the recent remodel of fresh paint, new light fixtures, and a totally redone bathroom from top to bottom. It's ready. Living here, you can take a short ride in your golf cart down the street and around the corner, and you'll be at one of Sun City's 7 recreation centers that provide over 130 charter clubs and activities for even the most discriminating enthusiasts. This convenient location is just off Del Webb Boulevard and Grand Avenue with the perfect setup for a quick trip to the grocery store, restaurants, and local shops within minutes. And just down the street, you're on the 101 freeway heading anywhere in the valley with ease. Oh, and did I mention the private courtyard out front with plenty of fruit trees and quiet views to enjoy? It's there too. So come on out or call today, 623-340-7067 for information on this and other available properties.